Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming core prerequisites: cables, drivers, and ambient light. Unplug and reseat the HDMI or display port now, then open your GPU control panel and update drivers and RGB apps. This prevents software conflicts. Once done, dim room lighting and load a neutral reference image or test pattern so you can see changes clearly. Make sure to disable any third-party color profiles first, because they can mask the real effect of your lighting adjustments and cause inconsistent results. You now adjust the software-driven controls deliberately. Open your GPU color settings and tweak brightness, contrast, and gamma in small increments. Tiny steps reveal the trend without overshooting. If your keyboard, mouse, and case lighting support one ecosystem, sync them so color temperature and intensity align across devices. Once synchronized, use the RGB app to select a neutral white point and reduce saturation slightly. This balances screen and room light, preventing color casts and reducing eye strain during long sessions. You finish by calibrating and locking in settings. Run your OS or a basic colorimeter calibration, then save distinct profiles for work, gaming, and media so you can switch quickly. Test across several apps and games to confirm consistency, because different software can override color settings. If colors still shift or flicker, reset GPU drivers, try a different cable or port, and restart the RGB service. This often resolves conflicts. Make sure to keep a backup profile so you can revert after any firmware updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.